What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother.
What do you do?
I am a student and a part-time writer.
What are your hobbies?
I love painting and reading.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy going for walks, watching movies, and spending time with friends.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am studying business administration.
Where do you work?
I work at a cafe near my school.
How are you?
I am doing great. Thank you.
What's up?
Just relaxing. How about you?
How's it going?
It's going well. Thanks.
How's your day been?
It's been a bit busy, but good overall.
How was your weekend?
It was nice. I met up with friends.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment downtown.
Do you live with family?
No, I live alone.
How long have you been here?
I moved here 2 years ago.
What time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on February 14th.
What's the date today?
Today is November 1st.
When did you arrive?
I arrived this morning.
How long will you stay?
I am staying for a week.
When will you leave?
I am leaving on Sunday.
What day is it?
Today is Tuesday.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
How long does it take?
It takes about 30 minutes.
Is it time to go?
Yes, I think it's time to go.
How much is this?
This is $15.
Do you have this in a different size?
Yes, we do. Here's another size.
Can I try this on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
What's the price?
It's $25.
Where is the changing room?
Right over there by the restrooms.
Do you have it in stock?
Yes, we have a few left in stock.
Can I get a discount?
I'll check if there are any discounts available.
Is there a warranty?
Yes, it comes with a 1-year warranty.
Can I return it if it doesn't fit?
Yes, just bring it back with the receipt.
How do I get to the airport?
Take the subway. It's the fastest route.
Is it far from here?
No, it's only a 10-minute drive.
Can you show me on the map?
Sure, here's the map.
Which way is north?
That way, to your right.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Just a block away, across the street.
How long does it take to get there?
About 20 minutes by bus.
Is it within walking distance?
Yes, it's close enough to walk.
Should I take a left or right?
You should take a left.
Is there a shortcut?
Yes, but it's a bit tricky.
How do I get to the subway station?
Go straight and turn left at the second corner.
Can I see the menu, please?
Here's the menu.
Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have several vegan options.
What do you recommend?
The pasta is very popular.
Is it spicy?
A little, but not too much.
Can I have a glass of water?
Yes, of course.
Are there any daily specials?
Yes, we have a chef special today.
Can I have the bill, please?
Here's your bill.
Is it self-service?
Yes, it is.
How big is the portion?
It's enough for one person.
Do you serve breakfast all day?
Yes, we serve breakfast until noon.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fine. Thank you.
Do you have a headache?
No, I don't have a headache.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I'm not allergic to anything.
Have you seen a doctor?
Not recently, no.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to work out a few times a week.
What's your blood type?
I'm not sure.
Do you take any medication?
I'd have to check.
Have you had your checkup?
Only if I really need to.